hope you're really well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm kickstarting my festival videos with a festival hair tutorial. It's the beginning of April, Coachella is coming up, and I thought, yeah, you guys are probably going to be looking for inspiration if you're going, or if you've got festivals coming up in the UK or around the world over summer. You're probably going to be starting your research and inspiration hunting to get images of makeup and hair and fashion to inspire you guys for your festival outfits. So let's kickstart this hair tutorial. So I'm going to be creating 4 braids going into 4 little space buns. I'm going to talk you through how I create the first braid, and then the rest I will just speed up because it's literally just copying what I've done firsthand. So yeah, let's go. To start with, I'm going to be separating my hair into sections. Now, I still have lost my comb. I need to go and buy a new one. So I'm just using a little dye brush to help. But I'm going to split my hair into 2 to start with. If this actually works. That's not too bad. So I've split my hair into 2 to start with, and then I'm going to split my hair into another 2 sections like so. And it's a half up, half down look, so we only need to section the top half of our hair. So I'm just gonna get that section out the way, and I've got this really handy sort of crocodile clip to get that out the way. And then I'm literally going to be focusing on this section here to start with, which I'll be talking you through. I'm just gonna grip that away so I can really see that parting, and I don't want to get any hair from this section into this one here. Okay, so that's 2 sections done, and then once I've braided this and this part, I'll then split this one into 2, and then I'll have 4 braids. So let's get braiding. To help me get extra grip when I'm braiding, I'm going to be using the Stylista Braid Milk. I used this recently and it's so good for braiding. Honestly, it does give like a bit of an extra grip, and it really helps when you're plaiting your hair. So I've just popped some on my hand, and I'm just going to run that through that section of hair, and I'm going to be braiding. Just going to make sure I get a nice parting on this last braid here. I'm just going to section that off there. Right, let's get braiding. So I'm going to start with a small section at the front here, which I'm then going to split into 3, and I'm going to be braiding underneath because it's a Dutch braid that I'm going to be creating. So I always do it underneath once, and then when I go around for the second time I add in a little bit of hair. So every time I go under, I grab an extra bit of hair and I take it under the strand next to it. And I basically just do that and add in hair every time I braid. Trying to keep my braid as tight as possible, because the Dutch braids tend to look a lot better when you're doing them small, to be tight. And then when you get towards the end, we are going to be braiding all of the hair into a plait. So we're not going to be popping a hairband on the end. I'm literally just going to continue that braid into a plait like so. And if you spin your hair around to the side, it does make it easier, especially if your hair is quite long. And then again, just still keeping it quite tight, although I am going to pull this part of the braid out. So for now, I'm just going to pop a bobby pin on the end just to hold it together. And then I'm going to be pulling out this braid. So I'm going to be holding on to the end here and literally just pulling out each strand. Like so. Don't worry if it's a bit messy. And then when I get to the top here, I'm just going to stop. So it's literally this bottom part I'm pulling out and that I want to focus on. Because this is the bit that I'm going to be creating a little space bun with. Also, if you hear any snorting or funny breathing or things bashing around in the background, it's the dogs. They're play fighting. It's always when I film a video, always. Thanks guys. Okay, so once you've pulled it all out, I'm just gonna go on both sides now, pull it out a bit more just to make it as thick as I can without sort of ruining that braid effect. Take the bobby pin off the end, and then I'm going to be wrapping the hair into a little bun. And then I'm going to secure with a little elastic band. These are really, really handy. You can get them from Primark, Claire's. And then once I've got the elastic band on, I'm just going to grab a bobby pin. Now, I needed a smaller one than this, but I'm just going to use this size for now. You can get small ones. And I'm just sort of going to grip it into place, and then I'm just going to basically pull it out into the desired sort of space bun that I want. And once I'm happy with it, that is done, and I can move on to doing the next 4. So let's speed up this video.
I wouldn't
literally a 90s Gwen Stefani hairstyle, but I'm literally loving it. And you guys know I love to play around with braids and buns, and yeah, I just think this is such a fab hairstyle for a festival this season, whether that's Coachella or whether that's a UK festival. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be rocking this hairstyle at a festival this summer. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Also, please comment below if you have any questions, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.